not very often that we seize the opportunity to get out on the water at night.
Nope.
And I just felt like there was an opportunity to be had here.
This place is so special, mate. We've got to do it.
And whether it's spotting crocs or just seeing what goes on down here, because this place has really impressed me. And I don't think have we ever caught a barra or any fish at night?
We don't do much night fishing because it's hard to film at night.
Yeah.
For starters. And we're usually that buggered come the daytime. We just want to go to camp.
So we're going to have a crack tonight because I think it's going to be worthwhile. We'll see how we go. I think it'll be worthwhile. This is that sun goes down and it's just dropped behind the little ridge line over there now. And we're in that twilight.
We're going to try a couple of surface lures and see what happens to start with.
Because if there are barra here and they buffing surface lures, it's spectacular. And I can't think of a better place to do it.
Hell yeah.
Let's give her a crack, mate. Try it out.
Oh, I saw that. There's a bull. He's back again. Oh. He's on.
Is it big? Oh,
It's not small.
It's not small is the word.
No, it's not small.
You are on like Donkey Kong.
Night time and I'm on. Oh, it's the fish of the deep. The king of the deep. What are you? Fighting weird.
Is it?
Like crocodile weird.
Is it?
Oh! I haven't even, it doesn't even know it's hooked.
What the hell have you
What
caught?
have I caught? Is it like a metre and a half barra about to launch out of the drink or what?
Don't know.
It's solid fish, mate. It's not running like a queenie. It's hanging around like I don't know what.
Wow.
It's not jumping.
It's not.
Oh, it's big.
You got me curious now, mate.
You curious? Oh. What are you? Hello.
Do you want to get over there? Is it a crocodile?
I don't know.
Is it coming?
Yeah. Comes and then it goes, nah, I'm going back over here, dude. Oh, it's solid. Maybe nighttime barra don't jump. Is that what happens?
I don't know, mate. I haven't caught that many nights.
Oh, when it decides to go, shit does it go. Keeps wanting to go to the reeds.
Don't know what you've caught.
Is this going to be like the biggest, fattest barra you've ever seen? Have I hooked my meter barra?
I don't know. You could have.
I could have.
You tell me what you want me to do,
Sometimes the big fish, that's what they do.
they're big and heavy.
Big, lazy, big, fat barra. Mate, I'm going to be pumped if I have. I'm like, oh, if I lose, I'm...
Do you want me to... Where is it?
Just there in the reeds.
Yeah, something's going on. I think you've caught a big crocodile. I honestly think you've caught a crocodile.
Nah, it's not a croc. No, it's a fish. It's a barra.
It is.
And it's not that big. What's going on? It's okay. Did you see the way this fish is fighting?
Yeah, it's because you've tail hooked him. You've tail hooked him or something. You've foul hooked him.
No, he's in the head.
Yeah, in the top of the head.
Top of the head. Did you see the way it's fighting? It's a good fish.
It's a good barra.
You got the grippers?
Yeah.
Try them new ones out.
It's because top of the head,
Yeah.
mate.
You got him.
That's something.
You got him. He's a good fish.
Oh,
He's a solid
that's a
barra.
good fish.
He's a good fish.
Look at that.
There's nothing wrong with that.
Ah, well done. Is that your first night barra?
That's my first night barra. Right?
That's gold. He's fat and heavy and big.
Solid.
Just big barra.
Yeah, that's a fat barra.
Well done, mate.
That's why he felt so heavy, so fat.
He's been
Tom, I
eating
can't
up.
see squat, mate.
There we go.
There to there.
87.
87, 88.
Yeah, 87.
He's just a fat barra. That's a heavy fish for that length. Look how fat it is.
Nice fish. Good job.
Look how fat that is.
He's fat.
Whoa!
Look at you go.
You big fat fish, you.
Big fat barra.
I thought I had my meat in there. I'm saying too.
Well,
There we go. There we go.
oh, it's crazy.
That was fun.
The gas pedal. Hit the gas pedal. I'm on.
You're on.
Woo!
At the boat.
At the boat, he chased it in. And you heard him boof underwater, eh? Like he's literally just there. He's green as. Here he goes. Like he is green as.
Barra?
Oh yeah, it's a barra. It's a good fish. It's not overly huge, but it's a night barra. You know the last time I caught a night barra? 12 years ago.
Really?
Yeah, I'm not kidding you. 12 years ago. 12 years ago on the Drysdale River rock bar, mate. And that's when I caught my 93 and that following morning. Oh, look at this, it's gold. Oh, mate, I can't believe this place. It's on fire. Like, it's actually cooler now and they're still firing. Oh, gold. There he is. Oh, fishy. I literally saw him boof it underwater and you could hear it. That's awesome. That's absolutely awesome. Oh, it's hard to fish at night, isn't it?
Yeah.
Especially casting and stuff. Still a bit green. Here he comes. Look at the big silver fish. Gotcha. Come on in. There we go. Oh, look at that.
That's a solid barra.
That's a fish. Oh. There we go. Look at that.
Golden colour, though.
There he is. How cool's that? That's awesome. You want to measure him? Here we go.
Bang on 80.
Yeah,
There you
80.
go, 80.
He's 80, mate. There we go. Look at that. Beautiful barra. Nighttime barra. Here at the, we're now, what are we calling this place? The dream location, the dream spot. We call it the dream spot.
We've got a honey hole. This is the dream spot.
This is the dream spot. Beautiful.